Good morning, 8th class children. 8th class children. We are doing exponents chapter, second chapter from textbook. And in previous class we did up to 6 problems. Now I am explaining 7th problem. 7th problem is if 3 power 2x plus 1 is divided by 9 equal to 27 equal to 27. Find x. Find x. This is the problem. See, if 3 power 2x plus 1 divided by 9, here 27. These are the multiples of 3. If they are base 3, why we are talking about 3 only? Means base is 3. So we can write 9 as 3 squared, 27 as 3 cube. Immediately we should get idea of this. Whenever seeing numbers, we can easily get the idea. 3 power 2x plus 1 by 9 is equal to 27 given. And then how to write 9? Bases will be equal. Same basis. 2 plus x plus by 3 squared. Now this is equal to 3 cube. Now bases are same. In the quotient law, a power m is by a power n is equal to a power m minus n for laws of indices. Now we can write this as 3 power 2x plus 1 minus 2. So we have to subtract. Plus 2 will come as minus 2 is equal to 3 cube. Now the bases are cancelled. Now we can write this as 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. Minus 2 plus 1 becomes minus 1. Minus 1 will go the side as plus. Now 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1. 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. X equal to 2. Like that we have to do. 8%. Okay. By what number? By what number? Minus 3 by 2 or minus 3 be multiplied so that the product is 9 by 8 whole square minus 2. This is the problem. By what number should minus 3 by 2 of minus 3 power be multiplied so that the product is, let the number be x multiplied. we have to write let the number solution. Let the number be multiplied by x. Suppose for every problem we have to take the unknown is as x. Let the number be multiplied by x. Then x into this much. X into this much is equal to this much. Now x into this is multiplied by minus 3 by 2 whole power minus 3 is equal to 9 by 8 whole power minus 2. Now this 9 by 8 can be written as 9 by 8 can be written as, let it be. We can write this as 3 squared, this is 2 cubed, this is 3 cubed. Okay. Now therefore x is equal to 9 by 8 minus 2 whole squared by minus 3 by 2 whole power minus 3. If we change the order, numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator, this minus will be removed. R we can write as, by coming up it becomes 2 by 3 cube by, this is coming down 8 by 9. Yes, I am not writing minus, changing. A by B whole power minus 1 is same as B by A. B by A. Now, reciprocal. Now, the same can be written as 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 times, and this is 8 by 9 into 8 by 9. No, reverse. 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 8 by 9 becomes 9 by 8 into 9 by 8. Oh. Now 3 into 3, 9. 3 ones are 3 threes. 2 ones are 2 twos are 8. 1 8 can. Final answer is 3 by 8. Like this we have to do. Very important. So we have to multiply by the number 3 by 8. If we multiply 3 by 8, we get the answer. To be 8 minus 8 by 3. And 8 by 9. 8 by 9 minus 3 by 2, 2 by 2. But here one minus is there. Minus 3 by 2 is there. I will write this as minus. Okay. So minus minus minus. 8. Since this is one minus is left, no, so minus 3 by 8. Or short form, or x into minus 3 by 2 minus 3 is equal to so here only x into minus 2 by 3 cube is equal to 8 by 9. Now x is equal to 8 by 9 square by minus 2 by 3 cube. Now this is 2 cube by 3 square. No need. 8 by 9 into 8 by 9 by minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. It will go up as 8 by 9 into 8 by 9 into 3 by minus 2, 3 by minus 2, 3 by minus 2. So 3 3s are 9, 9 cancel. 1 8, 1 8, 8 cancel. So here 1 8 3 1 the 3 3 1 the 3 3. So 1 minus is there. R minus 8 by minus 3, also written as minus 8 by 3. Now this is correct question. Previously we did mistake. Correct, minus 8 by 3. Now 90 question. Your quotient divided by what number should be? Right question. By what number should 5 by 4 minus 2 be divided so that the quotient may be half minus 3. Okay. same as previous problem. Solution. Let the number be divided by x. Always x only. Now should be divided by what number? Should divided for 5/4 whole power minus 2 by x is equal to half. Quotient is -3. Answer. Here -2. If a by b whole power -1 is there, we can write as b by a. So this is -2 can be written as 4 power 5 whole power 2 by x is equal to half. -3 is there, we can write as 2 cube. Cross multiply. Nothing means 1. Cross multiplying. Cross multiplying 2 cube into x is equal to 4 by 5 square. 4 by 5 square. Now therefore x is equal to 4 by 5 whole square by 2 cube into 2 cube will go that side as 5. Now this can be written as nothing is 1. So 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 or 2 times, and this is 1 by 2 cube. Alright, 2 times 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 4. 2 into 2, 4, 4 cancel. So 1 the 2, 2 the. Now this is 2 by 25. 2 by 25. If we divide by this 2 by 25, we get the answer, quotient. Let us check the answers. Right, 2 by 25. One more problem. 10. No. Tenth problem. Simplify. Simplify minus 1 by 8 power 8, 1 by 3 whole power 8 divided by 1 by 3 whole power 5 minus curly bracket minus divided by 2 minus 2 by 5 whole square. minus 1 by 3 whole power 8 divided by 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 whole power 5. Question wrong. Minus 2 by 5. All the this is not. Minus 2 by 5 whole power 7 divided by minus 2 by 5 whole power 9 minus 2 by 5 square. Okay. There are curly bracket. Okay. Here division. Here division. See, bases are same. Solution. Minus 2 by 5 whole power 7 by minus 2 by 5 whole power 9. First of all, let us simplify curly bracket and division minus 2 by 5 whole bracket square. Their bases are same. In quotient, subtract the powers. A power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Yes. See, my bases are same. Powers are subtracted. 7 minus 9 and divided by minus 2 by 5 whole square. Now here minus 2 by 5 minus 2 divided by minus 2 by 5 square. Now again bases are same, are divided. Minus 2 by 5 whole power minus 2 by minus 2 by 5 whole power 2. Express the result as a power 5. Now minus 2 by 5 divided here minus 7 is there. I didn't see it. Minus 7 into, there is no question. I have wrong here. Minus here into means we did not divide. In previous question, division is given. In 11th question, division is given. Now here into, I have written question wrong. Now I made it correct. Into, bases are same, powers will be added. Minus 2 by 5 into minus 7 plus 9 and divided by minus 2 by 5 whole power square. Now this is nothing but 9 minus 7, 2. Minus 2 by 5 whole square divided by minus 2 by 5 whole power 2. In division, minus 2 by 5 squared by minus 2 by 5 whole squared. Both numerator and denominator same, so it is 1. He is asking express the result as power 5. Writing 1 as power 5 as power of 5 as power of 5 is equal to 5 power 0, 5 power 0, like this.